to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Pajon Monye. Welcome, welcome, and welcome. We are going to be spring cleaning, decluttering my closet. Basically, I'm going to be going through my closet and figuring out what things I want to keep, what things I want to give away, and also what things I want to sell. I have things in my closet that I have not worn at all, like at all, with tags still on it, or I may have only worn it once and I really don't like the style of it anymore, or it's just not my style anymore. So with that being said, my sponsor, I think I'm going to start putting items on Depop that I want to sell. If you guys see anything in this video that I'm probably going to give away or that I'm thinking about selling and you guys like it, you guys can always follow me on my Instagram and just DM me, or you guys can click the direct link below and go straight to my Depop. Also, I will have a wardrobe closet page connected with my main page, so you guys just make sure you keep up with that. But yeah, if you guys see anything you like in this video, don't be shy, honey. It's going for sale and it's going for the low. Nothing is going to be crazy expensive. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. Okay, y'all, so I finished the shoe portion, so I'm gonna just show y'all my little area. I have to sweep and everything, so don't mind it. All the stuff is coming out. I just took all the shoe bins and all the shoes from off the shelf. So now I'm about to go through my slides and see which ones I want and don't want, and then I will come back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all so far what I've done. I've taken all my shoes out my closet. So these are all the shoes that I'm going to keep because these are the ones I wear the most, and that's for fall, winter, spring, summer. This basket right here, excuse this shoe, this basket right here is going to be shoes and heels that I'm selling. Like, I have stuff still in a box. I have tennis shoes that you guys may want, or if you know somebody or a child, my feet are pretty small too. And this humongous basket is going to be of shoes and heels that I'm giving away. These are a little bit older and I've worn these more, so yeah, I'm just gonna give these away to Goodwill. Someone may need them, may want them. I have a whole bunch of old Steve Madden heels But I'm not gonna sell them just because, like I said, they are worn, even though they look in pretty good condition. But I would rather let someone else get them for a very cheaper price than like getting them from me and I'm selling them just for a profit, basically. And also, I do have probably one pair of tennis shoes that I'm really giving away, and these are my old Pumas. I think I'm just gonna give these away because, y'all, they are, for one, they're a little dirty. I don't know how to get the dirt out of them, and then two, they were a little small even when I was wearing them. So been time to let those go. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm selling really quick, just so you guys can check that out on my Depop. Okay guys, so I'm about to show y'all the quick shoes that I'm going to sell. And yeah, these are some heels I bought probably year 2014. These were when I was going to my junior prom. So yeah, I only wore these once, y'all. I don't really wear heels like this anymore. I don't know if any of y'all were into this style, or you know, but I think these are very prom appropriate. So these are size 7. They will be on my Depop. These heels, these are like closed toe heels. I got these for my best friend's wedding. I only wore them one time, you guys, like once again. These are size 6, I believe, but yeah. These heels for my senior year prom, and I think these are freaking gorgeous. They are gorgeous, okay? They're really, really cute, but I've only worn them one time. So yeah, if you guys like these, make sure you guys go check it out. So I have these LeBron tennis shoes that I have not worn in forever. These are size 5. As y'all can see, they pretty much, even the bottom still look clean. They're not really scuffed up or anything. So yeah, if you guys know anyone, or girl, boy, because I think in this size, in my tennis shoe, I think I have boy sizes. So yeah, but remember guys, go check my Depop. These were my favorite shoes in high school, to be honest. I didn't wear these often either, but so the infamous KDs, y'all. If you didn't have a pair of these in high school, you tripping. But yeah, I'm gonna be selling these. They are pretty new, y'all. Like, I haven't worn them. I should have sold them a long time ago, but I thought I was going to wear them again, and I haven't. The last pair of shoes that I'm going to sell are another pair of KDs, and these are were the really popular Rugrat KDs. Yeah, these were my babies, but like I said, I don't wear them, so I would rather sell them to someone who wants them. I never wore my tennis shoes like that, so yeah, check my Depop. I think I'm gonna do all my accessories first. So I think I'm gonna get into hats and purses, like whatever I can find now. Then I'm gonna get into my actual clothes, because I feel like the clothes is the easiest, because I know stuff that I really don't want. So yeah, let's get into these hats, because I have some hats that I really don't wear, and purses. So okay, let's jump into it. Took out my hats and I took out my purses. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back and put my hats and my purses back on the shelf, just because you need to go somewhere while I'm cleaning up the rest of my room. So yeah, I'm just about to put these back on the shelf. I took out the ones I didn't want. I'm not selling any purses just because like some purses I have is super old, and girl, I'm not selling those. So yeah, let me just go ahead and put these back on the shelf, and we gonna get into these clothes next. that looks so much organized. I don't care, y'all can't probably tell the difference, but it do. So the next thing I'm about to do is try to clean this little corner out right here, y'all. This is like suitcases and clean folded clothes, and also this has like a bag over here that I have not gave away from the last time I cleaned my closet out. So what I'm gonna do is go in and clean the stuff out in the closet, and yeah. Y'all can see I moved everything out from out this corner. It is nice and clear. Now what I think I'm gonna do, you guys saw how I had the other side filled with my shoes. I think I'm gonna move my sandals and shoes that's like not in the box on this side, just so I can have like accessories right here and shoe and clothes on the other side. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start putting my shoes back just so I can kind of get a system going, like taking stuff out, putting stuff back in, so I won't be in here all day. So yeah, let me time lapse this for y'all really quick, and let's just get it popping. Guys, so here's my new side of my closet. I think it is pretty organized. I have gave away a lot of things, so these are the only shoes I have besides the ones that are probably in my car. But yes, I'm pretty satisfied walking in, and it looks like that on the side. Now I'm probably gonna take these down because I made this of Chris Brown, girl, when I was in freaking high school because I was obsessed with this man. But it's time to retire it and put it in my just childhood memory thing. So yeah. All right, y'all, so we almost done. So now the last thing I'm about to do is go through all of my clothes. When I say all of my clothes, I mean all of these clothes. I mean the clothes in my drawers as well. And I'm gonna separate those into 2 piles of, well, 3 piles. I'm gonna go through the things that I want, the things I want to give away, and the things I want to sell. I'm just about to start this process just so I won't be all day. It's 7 o'clock. We done spent an hour doing this, so we're doing pretty good. This is kind of the last thing I have to do. So other than that, yeah, girl, let's get it done. Let's get it done. Okay guys, so for the most part I am done with my closets. All of my shelves are clear. They're finally clear. We got space on them, you know, so that's a good thing. The last thing I'm gonna do, which I will probably do tomorrow, is get the stuff from off the top of my shelves, and either I'll probably give those away, but I'm gonna get that from off of my shelf at the top tomorrow. Then I will go through my drawers tomorrow.